Hey man, what are you doing out here? Holy crap. I never get tired of hearing that word. Now, hand me the freight cards. Now. Okay, I'll give you them. Okay? Just don't kill me. No one will catch me and no one will. They can't hold Johnson Alco. Big one, he's on the move. Right, I'm on it. I'll stop him. I lost him. What do you mean you lost him, big one? He was too strong for me. Ugh, how unfortunate. Now what do we do, sir? We'll think of something. We'll have to think of a way to stop him. I hope you'll think of something, sir.